guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your WAEC 2026 results online. Yes, I know before you want to check it, you'll be like, WAEC did not give us any scratch card. So if you want a video on how to get your checker pin and the serial number to check your results online, go to my YouTube channel and you're going to see a video on it. So first thing you have to do is open up your browser and you're going to search for WAEC result checker, right? So once you search for that, you click on the first website you see, and this is what you're going to see. You have to actually input your examination number, which is your school number, right? And also your seat number. Once you finish writing your exam number, you have to add your seat number just like this, and you have to select the year and also select school candidate if you're a school candidate, and then you have to input the pin and serial number you got on the checkout. So let me just show you how the serial number and pin is going to look like so that you don't get confused. So when you go to retrieve that serial number and your checker pin, this is what is going to look like. They're going to actually send you your scratch card, but it is not physical copy, it is online copy, you understand? So this right here is the serial number and pin that you're going to impute right here where it says pin and serial number. So it's just simple. Then afterwards you click on submit and they're going to show you. But because WAEC have not released our results, yes, the WAEC results for 2026, you won't be able to see anything until they actually release the results. Then you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and locally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video.